Ri-Bhoi Dorbar hadien san pupratali snem ka jingïaid lynti naduh seng ïaka hau snem khat kendai span ribusan mynta ka sngi ka arpundriu tarik Risaw kalayo ban bo yo Mawnongrim naka bynta bantei ka Ophis Treikam ka Pura. Utei Mawnongrim lawan ban pelipat Bah Raja Brahma Project Director ka DRDA kumukongsan ha ka jingïaid Donlang Bah E Lyngdoh BDO ka Umsning C&RD Block Donlang Sohkhlet Vice Chairman ka MREGC Bah R B Shadap President, G S Shadap General Secretary, kiwe kiri orang ba. Iaka ka Ophis Treikam Pura jong Ri-Bhoi Dorbar lamang pisa bantai lingba ka scheme MP LED lingba Dr W R Kharlukhi MP ka Rajya Sabha ha ka jinglut kumbash paulak bat labu thongru ban pendep iaka ka Ophis Treikam hapo lai banai bekikam kilasdang banya chat ha Umsning Nongthymmai.
Daslam lai banai ngimun ban pendep no. Jadi kata ying rimde bahaya ibarit hi yang dan gambar ngat bangalai kan obat misteri ngai yang hapo ka arbnai ngan pendep teh kan subuh lai banai kan simpor bad ha kasngi ka bangin sapli bade ngin sakot dagi beri bakun ki bakam dan kam yang ngi hangne bad ngin sayok piang sakawe ka jinglang ka ba ri kumne ngin nasana yak ne ka parking hangne kanang ba kin yo banyawan ki bahe ki bahan desar itai dei benta bagi penpau yang songu ya Dr W R Kharlukhi ibala alat yang ngi yak ne ka pisai pholak mat haji sya ngi kuak mangi ke bahaya bah ten re in le kamno ka de snem kamnong kong wedang ai kan ne denga lynti ba inang ai biang ru la da ngi la le bah ya skim mentah te ha jo kapor ngi don hang nei ba e Lyngdoh u video ban thamai ba pe ke do kada bang samla ha te ngi sutnat dari dalang hang desa dang por bat nga ha ka bor ma tho yong nu tablet ru idan ba ai jing tip dinga biong kaya kerteng do Lyngdoh teng la tho Lyngdoh ang la ai bade yo tu message ngai ibun ki ba complain ki ong nam de re Lyngdoh ide Lyngdoh ngawan si office yang feminine ngas
and they walk like extraordinary people nado bolong video uba sadap lawan mo ngala da bio taka sanction Sir Dr W R Kharlukhi ada ai sanction mentionari boy Dorbar tengah aku mau video ru nado mencuangi ni wat lat mo ka skim ne heru ngin pinkop mo men ai Dorbar mo ka kitien molong Ri-Bhoi Dorbar just the name has its weight te ni pat ni so in ongkum no ni umdan ka skim e boro pinkop men ai Ri-Bhoi Dorbar mo and tengah first of all nga thanks ya Dr W R Kharlukhi, thank you sir being an MP Rajya Sabha member and your feeling towards the development of Ri-Bhoi is immense, sir. Thank you, sir. Kumba u adopt mo kasegi village po molinde bringi but Treikam sir belong Serkeva is beyond my imagination like one development but coordination kumba block Segi village which is zero funded mo belong mentangi land target belong it is 100 crore projects. So a man with the quality belong for the development kam tam lai perkat ba ya Ri-Bhoi tengai kubli ya MP sir Rajya Sabha ngai kubli shibon ya bor ni member jang Ri-Bhoi Dorbar ya perlok ba Donlang Sohkhlet ru ya kamtam lai video ru dan ne JE te ya boro tenga kemen mentasngi dan rangkat dong and PI yang kalat men play bo mau Mawnongrim hang ni kade it will be a memorable day for me in my lifetime. It is a history making for me. I am part of it. The laying foundation stone for Ri-Bhoi Dorbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Kumbai Opisa, then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other like other projects like Bangkwi parking for sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline for water supply. We'll see that whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself belong Kumba Ri-Bhoi Dorbar, it's not only an asset to the headman Kumba member jang, but it's an asset jang Ri-Bhoi. It's a symbol of love, along a symbol of development for the people of Ri-Bhoi district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Ri-Bhoi Dorbar, we and myself PD along Naga district administration on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and in coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well and we are always there to help in good conditions.